Welcome to another video from Creativo Solutions. Our mission statement: creatively adding value to help find solutions. If you have any comments or questions about this video, please post them below and consider subscribing to this channel. You can visit us on social media. We have a Steemit page, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and keep watching the channel for more support. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on Steemit, and we're going to be looking at how do we actually trade our Steem dollars for Steem. First thing we need to do is log on to our account. If you're having problems with that, please watch one of the previous videos and you can see exactly how to do that. It's quite a simple process. You just need your special key in order to log into your account. I've logged into my account. I'm now obviously going to go to my wallet. So if I click wallet, I can see that I have a certain amount of Steem here, and there's my Steem Power. So Steem Power gives you influence on this particular social media platform. Currently, I've got 8,004 Steem dollars currently sitting in this account, which I have not made use of yet. The reason why I'm looking at trading my Steem dollars into Steem is because of the current market price. If you have a look at the SBD, which is the Steem dollars current price in the market based on the information here from coinmarketcap.com, you can see that the price has run up quite nicely and it's now sitting at 8,36 US dollars. And if I look at the price of Steem, also from the CoinMarketCap website, you can see here that Steem is currently priced at $5.80. So you can see there's a slight difference in terms of pricing in terms of Steem dollars and Steem. So looking at the current price, $5.80 for Steem and $8.36 for Steem dollars. Personally, I think it's an opportunity to try buy more Steem with the Steem dollars currently, because the Steem dollars are worth more now than they were previously, and because there is a discrepancy in terms of price, Steem dollars being priced more than Steem, I do think it's an advantage to go back to my account here and to take this in terms of Steem dollars and convert that into Steem in order to help boost my reputation for my actual blog on this particular social media platform. So that's what I'm going to be doing. How do we do that? Well, we're going to be converting Steem dollars. So I'm going to click that menu there. There's transfer to savings, market, buy and sell, and I'm obviously going to click the sell button because I want to sell Steem dollars and I want to convert that into Steem Power. Once I've clicked sell, you'll see that a separate page will open. This is https blocktrades.us, and this is going to allow me to trade my Steem dollars for Steem Power. So I'm going to be looking at the current price. Let's have a look at Steem Power. So here we go. We have send. So if I had to send one Steem dollar, that would be converted to 1.38 in terms of Steem Power. If I had to change that, let's make that 2. Then it's 2.88. If I go 1, that was 1.441. So that's the current price, 1.441. If it's 2, 1.83. Okay, so it's twice as much. Right, so let's have a look at transferring one Steem dollar. In terms of my receive address, I obviously want to put in my account name, which is Creativo. The address is obviously valid. Your deposits will appear when they're detected on our site. Sign in, okay, and complete it. So get deposit address. Okay, now we're initiating the trade. Steem Connect. If you are sending funds from an exchange, you must click the manual transfer, which I'm not doing. I'm doing this from Steem Connect. Your Steem username, Creativo. At. Does it require the at? No, then it must be lowercase. There we go, perfect. So there we go, it already picks up my account balance. Available balance 8,004 SBD. Transfer using Steem Connect, which I do want to do. Page is loading. Do you want to confirm this operation? Creativo to block trades. 1 SBD, and they give you that description, password or key, username, Creativo, and I then need my special key. Congratulations, the operation has been successfully broadcasted. Transaction ID takes me back to the main page. I don't want to do another trade. I'm now going to go back to my accounts. Here's my account. Let's refresh this page. There we go. I've refreshed my page. And now you can see that my Steem power has risen to 12.003 Steem. And in terms of Steem dollars, I now have 7 here. Coming down to my transaction history, you can see here that 24 seconds ago received 1.435 Steem power from block trades. Obviously, I had transferred 1 SBD to block trades. That was obviously the description from the actual system. And it's as easy as that. I've now conducted a transaction whereby I've taken Steem dollars and I've converted that into Steem power. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel, and if you have any comments or questions about this video, please post them below. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It does help support the channel, and we'll continue to create more videos to help you.